Return JSON response from Flask view. I have a function that analyzes a CSV file with pandas and produces a dict with summary information. I want to return the results as a response from a Flask view. How do I return a JSON response?
Pass keyword arguments to flask.jonify and they will be output as a JSON object. If you already have a dict, you can pass it directly as jonify d.
A view can directly return a Python dict or list, and Flask will call jonify automatically. For older Flask versions, or to return a different JSON serializable object, import and use jonify.
Jsonify serializes the data, you pass it to JSON. If you want to serialize the data yourself, do what Jsonify does by building a response with status equals 209 type equals application JSON.
If you don't want to use Jonify for some reason, you can do what it does manually. Call flask.json.dumps to create JSON data, then return a response with the application/JSON content type. Flask.json is distinct from the built-in JSON module. It will use the faster Simpleson module if available and enables various integrations with your Flask app.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.